What's up, guys? We're underneath a 2000 Honda Civic doing a muffler. What our muffler is going to look like, it's got two hooks that go into hangers up here, and it's got a flange right here. Now I've already got this one apart. It's got a little donut gasket in there. Recommend replacing that. I heated these bolts off so that I could reuse them. If you don't have heat, you might want to get a set. They're real cheap. They're little spring bolts. They go in that way, nut on the back. Two of them. They usually don't come off without heat. If you're anywhere rusty like I am in Michigan. There's our donut gasket there. Still looks pretty good. We're gonna try reusing it. Now we gotta get these suckers off of the hangers, right? I sprayed them down with PV Blaster where the metal goes into the rubber bushings. Now we're going to use a bar. Kind of like pry them out of there, you know? There's one. And there's our muffler. You can see our muffler was blown right out. Went kablooey. Now, we'll get that new muffler put up in there. Ooh. Get her started in the bushings. The hangers. There we go, there's one. Ooh, dirt in the face. Next one, pop her right in there. All right. Line her up with this donut gasket. Our hardware might still be a little toasty. Wouldn't it be a bad idea? Oh yeah, it's toasty. Wouldn't it be a bad idea for me to wire wheel those off, you know, as I'm reusing them? The spring side is going to go through here. We got to push it forward and start our nut. They're hot. They're hot. Give them a little spray down with water. That's how fast this job is. Bolts are still hot and I'm getting everything put together. If we want to use your mufflers to replace, as long as you come locked and loaded with some new spring hardware and a donut gasket ready to go, you know what you're getting involved in. And these nuts will be a 13 millimeter. And the bolt side will be a 15 millimeter. But I use the impact to zip these off while the nuts were hot. We don't want to use the impact to zip them back on because we'll probably snap the bolts. We'll grab another ratchet. We got a 13 deep on this side, 15 around this side. And get her put back together. I don't have that all the way tight yet. I want to start working this side on. Could use my little air ratchet. That doesn't have enough torque to really snap these off. And if you got a leak, if you reuse your donut gasket, you got a leak here afterwards, take it back apart, put a donut gasket in it. I've got extra spring hardware and donut gaskets laying around, but this one looks pretty good condition. That donut's nice and shiny still. I think she'll seal up. supposed to always replace them, you know, guys? There we go. That guy's all tight. Finish tightening this one. And that's how easy it is to do one of these mufflers. You're probably not going to have a hoist, so you got to just jack it up. But really not a bad muffler to do at all. Pretty simple. Check the rest of the exhaust for play. Still got hangers, that's good. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and a sub if this helped you out. Appreciate it.